Welcome to Crash Cases. Speed roars, tires scream, and chaos takes the wheel. This is where thrill meets gravity and every second decides fate. Watch close, every crash has a story. Stay cool, buckle up. The ride starts now. A Mercedes driver veered into the wrong lane, hitting a BMW and triggering multiple collisions. Stay in your lane, one mistake can start a chain of danger. Judgment on both sides, reckless overtaking and sudden braking led to a crash. Drive calmly, plan ahead, and never let panic steer your actions.
Он не увидел этого трактора. Ой, идиот.
Not the black SUV's fault, but speeding beyond road conditions made things worse. Adjust your speed, safety always comes before haste. Bus was hit while picking up passengers, leaving 2 dead. Always slow near stops, one careless moment can cost innocent lives.
Hear the rest of this for us. Take a listen.
Dump truck tipped into a field while swerving to avoid a reckless student. Quick reflexes can't fix bad habits, follow traffic rules to stay safe. The driver of a white truck tried to run the red light at a railway crossing and got trapped as the barrier dropped. Never gamble with train's weight, don't risk your life.
It's on fire!
Watermelon truck lost control and hit an empty toll booth, spilling its load. Both driver and passenger were hospitalized. Drive steady, cargo can wait, safety can't.
Long R34. Long R34. Jesus Christ. Jesus! Shit!
Fire truck collided with a car and crashed into a gas station, injuring 7. Emergency or not control speed and stay alert to prevent greater danger. Highway pileup began when a broken car blocked the lane. Despite warning lights, crashes followed. If your car breaks down, pull over safely and call for help.
Oh! You fucking cockhead! You fucking imbecile!
Bus carrying 49 people plunged into a ravine after brake failure. Steep roads forgive no error. Always inspect your brakes before the climb or descent. Pro driver tested a redesigned truck arresting net with a 58,000-pound sand truck at 60 mph. Controlled tests save lives. Every safety upgrade starts with proof. High speed on wet roads is a deadly mix. The driver lost control, hydroplaned, and crashed into a pole. Slow down wet roads demand caution. Massive rocks tumbled down a mountain, striking cars below. Nature's power is unpredictable. Stay alert in mountain zones and avoid risky routes. That was Crash Cases. Idiots in Cars, pure chaos caught on camera. Fast, loud, and all too real. Every clip hits different, every second's a warning. Stay cool, drive safe, and if that rush got you hooked, like, share, and buckle up for the next crash coming soon.